Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So somebody had asked me which is the most notorious succulent that you have in your collection. I would say these are the two that are quite notorious succulents that are in my collection: my Echeveria Black Prince and Echeveria PVN. Now, when I say notorious, it's not in terms of giving me a hard time with their growth, but the major issue is with mealybugs. Both of these succulents are mealybug magnets. They tend to attract mealybugs, especially the Black Prince. Black Prince tends to get mealybugs on the crown area as well as in the root area. This is what I have experienced over the years of growing this variety. Whereas Echeveria PVN tends to get mealybugs more on the crown area. As compared to all the other succulent collection that I have, I don't have much issues with mealybugs, but these are the two that are very prone to mealybugs and I keep a very close watch. Other than that, I have noticed that Black Prince can easily get overwatered. They do not like too much of moisture in the soil. They tend to get rotted very easily, especially root rot with excess watering. And PVN, not much of an issue, but only issue is mealybugs. But if I have to choose any one between them, I would say this one is more notorious compared to our PVN. Now, as you all know, it has been raining in my city again, probably the winter rain, so I had to shift this to another place because I don't want the soil to get wet. As I said, it's very prone to root rot. But you can see just a week of a little less light and it has already started to stretch. You can see the stretching. All that lighter portion is basically stretching. So I had kept it in a place where there was indirect bright light, but because of the cloudy weather, it started to stretch. So now I have to ensure that I'm keeping a close watch, otherwise this portion will start to stretch like a flower, which I don't want, because once that happens, then we cannot get the compactness of the succulent back. At this point, yes, I can offer more indirect bright light and try to reduce the stress. Probably in a month's time, all this discoloration that you see will start to go off and it will get even more darker. But this is one of the issue with Black Prince. So yes, Black Prince is very notorious, especially when it comes to pest issues, watering and sunlight. All have to be taken care, and only then the succulent will do quite well. People who are from a very dry environment, it won't be much of an issue, but if you are from a very humid environment, then definitely your Echeveria Black Prince is going to struggle a lot, so you have to keep a close watch. I would rate this as a very delicate succulent, especially if you are a beginner. It can be a very challenging succulent for you. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.